To turn your Monday.com instance into a powerful, user-friendly financial management hub, start with a template that fits your use case and tailor it as your needs evolve. The template library is constantly expanding, so it's worth checking back regularly for new additions. In this example, we're using the budget plan template. Customize your board by adding or removing columns and adjusting them to fit your workflow. Use conditional formatting to highlight key insights at a glance. You can also introduce your own entities. For example, while Monday.com doesn't provide a fiscal year option out of the box, you can easily replicate it using a formula column. The example shows how to do this when your fiscal year starts in July, but you can use any starting month by simply changing the month order number in the formula. Use automations to make budget tracking reliable by reducing manual work and notifying the right colleagues. For example, you can set up a simple automation that automatically assigns payment due dates. When an item is created, the creation date is set to today and the due date is pushed 20 days ahead. This ensures that every payment request starts with a clear and consistent schedule. Let's see it in action by creating a new item. The automation is triggered immediately, as shown in the bottom right corner. The creation date is set to today, January 26th, and the due date is adjusted accordingly. Create dashboards to gain instant visibility into budgets and spending patterns. Connect one or multiple boards, add widgets such as charts, pivot boards, batteries, and numbers, and get a live, clear overview of your financial data. Use Smart Spreadsheet to bring Excel-like tools into your reports. Start from scratch and build any tables you need using formulas, filters, conditional formatting, and so on. Use pivot tables and charts to better summarize and visualize your data. You can also import an existing board into Smart Spreadsheet and continue working with it in a sheet-style view. The board and spreadsheet stay fully synchronized, including the ability to push newly calculated columns from the spreadsheet back to the board. As you can see, changes made on the board are instantly reflected in the spreadsheet, and vice versa, without any manual effort. In addition, you can schedule and send selected Smart Spreadsheet views as XLS files, making it easy to share data with people outside your Monday account and create board snapshots.